Everybody, this is Papa Scrap. As you can see, what's in front of me is a load of wire to be stripped. So we're going to do a little stripping. Well, wire stripping this afternoon. I've got a load of aluminum and I got some more copper down here that I got to cut up. But we're going to start stripping some wire for a little while. If you like my videos, hit the like and subscribe, and you'll be seeing more and more. More and more. Let's see what we can get done. Simple and easy. Simple and easy. Run it through the wire stripper. I roll it up so I can kind of compact it a little more. And wrap it and throw it in my bucket. I'm gonna end up pulling all this back out right here and putting it in a separate bucket. Cause all this down here is number one, but where I go to, they count it all as number one, but I'm gonna separate it anyway. Leave the old dirty green. Separate the old green from the bright. Boy, I got it buried all down in there, don't I? That's all of it that's buried. I'm gonna put it in my other bucket with my other green. But we're gonna try to run some wire through here. See if we can get it stripped. I ain't got this old electric stuff like some other people do that I know. I got the old battery powered drill stripping machine, but it works just as good. Works just as good. If you ain't watched his videos, watch Scrapping with Grandpa on YouTube. He's pretty good. Seems like a pretty good old fella. He's up in North Carolina. Let's see. See if I might tighten up a little more. I might have to. I don't know. No, it looks like it's just about right. Oh, I might have been telling a story. Don't look like it cut. It did. I might have to. Tighten up on it a little more. Yep, might have to tighten up on it a little more. Trying to get my camera adjusted just right. I'm not sure if it's just right or not, but we'll see. If it's not, then I can I'll adjust it a little more. Usually I got my trash bag sitting here beside me, but it's over there full. I got to dump it. I'll put this right here on the floor. I can pick it back up. Usually I don't like to go behind myself and do the double take. I think I got a good bit of copper right there. Gonna have a whole lot more once I get all this done. Uh-oh, might have it too tight. Let's see if it's too tight or not tight enough. May not be tight enough. I thought it was. Evidently not. Let's drop it a little more. Looks like we got it that time, didn't we? Always look at the end of your copper. I've done went through a lot of mine. But if it's got silver on it, then that's copper coated aluminum. And you might want to just leave it alone and take it separate, because with it wrapped, they'll only give you like 30 cents a pound. It ain't worth stripping it, because I don't know what they do with it, but it's not worth stripping. They told me just leave it wrapped up and bring it like it is. So that's what I usually do. Well, evidently I didn't have that one tight enough. That's what it seems like anyway. Or it got sidetracked and didn't cut it. Ain't no telling. Ain't no telling. I hope y'all like my videos. Pop a scrap in the house. Let's get some of this long stuff out of the way. Yeah, later on down the road when I get this bucket full, we'll see what it pays out. But I'm gonna try to get it slam full. I got a lot of stuff right here that's thick copper. With that and all this, might bring a good little chunk of change. Who knows? Who knows? May the 3rd and the 3rd through the 5th, going up to Rugby, Tennessee, to a little place called R.M. Brooks General Store. We're supposed to be having like a little cruise-in car show type deal up there next weekend, and figured it'd be just a good motorcycle ride. I'm gonna leave out on Friday and ride up. Go up there and see what it's about. Ah, there we go. That's some good stripping right there. Look at that. Don't have to pull the cover off of it. That's tight enough right there. Yep. How they say, pack it in there, pack it in there. even know if I cut it or how much I cut it or if it cut it at all. There's a little bit. It cut it a little bit, not much. Try it again. Probably didn't cut it. We got some of it. Got some of it. Try this end again. See how far down it goes. It got some of it. See what old trusty razor can do. Trusty old razor. It helped out a little bit. If y'all around watching my page, when you see this video, I got a buddy, Matt Waters. He's got a YouTube channel called Matt's Finds. Pretty good old fella. If you get a chance, check his page out. He does baseball cards and all kind of stuff. If you like that kind of stuff, he's a pretty good old fella. Check him out. Matt's Finds. Hey, let's see. Get a thicker piece. A long piece, too. Told you it was a long piece. Yeah, buddy. It's more too. any of these companies out there might look at my videos, want to want me to comment and test some of their tools and equipment, I'll be glad to. You got a wire stripper you want somebody to test out, send me a comment, and I'll be glad to test it, see how good it is. Yep. Any of these other companies like DeWalt or any of the others ever see my videos, if y'all need, y'all want to be kind and donate some battery power tools, I'll be glad to try them out too. Well, Papa Scrap's gonna keep on trying to get this wire done up. He gotta go out here and work on his old pick-em-up truck here in a little bit. He had to go in debt today and get a radiator for it. It's supposed to be here after a while. We'll see. Hopefully it is. Now see, I kind of double checked my wire, and I run through this, and there's some of that copper coated aluminum. See, always good to make sure it's not aluminum. Make sure it's not aluminum. Yep. You like my videos, hit the like and subscribe. Papa Scrap. Hoping to go on to bigger and better things. Oh, what fun it is. A lot of people won't sit and take time to do it like this. But it's a reliever. Gets rid of all the stress of the day. I like to come out here late in the evenings and work on this stuff a little at a time. Like to get me a big old pile of it. Be winter money. Winter money. Or backup money when something breaks down or tears up. however God wants it to be spent. Boy, that's adding up right there. Every little bit counts. See, my thing is I ride through these new subdivision, these buildings, and I look in the dumpster and look through their wire that they throwed away. May not be a lot, may be some just like that short. Still, it adds up. Adds up, adds up. See, little shorties like that, it don't take but a second to send them through. Don't take but a second. Okie dokie. Get some more of this big stuff done. Some long stuff. Yeah, see, I didn't double check yet. Y'all know what that is, don't you? Sure looks like it to me. I'll look at the other end and see. Looks like it's got some silver in it to me. That'll be tossed to the side. I went through this the other day, and I thought I cleaned it up all good, but evidently when I pick it up out of a dumpster, I try to look at it and see what it is. Try to separate it then, but sometimes you have stuff that slips right on by. Right on by. Here's a big old fat long piece. Let's see. Whoo-wee. That's a long piece. Papa gonna have to loosen up a little bit on that one. Rolling, 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 and keep this doggy rolling. Whoo-wee! That sun gun sure is long. I'm gonna be wore out by the time it gets through there. Finally got through there. Woo! There's some sharp edges on it too. I'm going through that stripper. Okie doke. Papa Scrap's out of here. He's gonna continue to strip this wire, and we'll be back. Keep your eyes out for my videos. Papa Scrap, like and subscribe. Have a great day. God bless.